more and more real-time marketing includes and is going to be dominated by, in my opinion, by mobile marketing. When people are on their cell phone or their smartphone or their iPad, they're kind of in that short-term attention span mindset, and if they see an ad and they click on it, they want to see it in a format that works for them on that particular device, and they're going to make a quick decision, even quicker than they would be making if they were browsing the internet on their laptop or their desktop. So, because of that, I wanted to show you this awesome set of tools from OfferMobi, and I'm just going to go over 4 particular tools. This is like a collection of tools that they have put together for their affiliates. If you're not familiar with OfferMobi, just head over there and get signed up as quickly as possible. These are all offers that work on mobile devices. The first tool I wanted to show you is this mobile Google difference tool. So let's take a look at that. I've already set this up so you can see it. What I did is a keyword search for WordPress, and here what it shows us is the difference between what it's going to look like on a mobile device, that search. So if somebody is searching on their iPhone, these are the results that are going to show up. If they're searching on their laptop or their computer, these are the results that are going to show up. It has been truncated. This side, this Google on computer side, has been truncated a little bit. So if you don't see the AdWords, it's because I've shortened the screen a little bit. So that is the first tool. And why would you use this tool? Primarily because you want to see if any of the real-time SEO or the, I guess, mobile SEO you've been doing is paying off. Obviously, millions and millions of people and more every day are searching on their mobile device for stuff, and you want to rank well there too. All right, the next tool that OfferMobi has provided is the compare tool. Let me go back to the main page to show you which one that is. It's this one right here called 3 Search. So let's take a look and see. Basically what it shows you is the 3 main mobile web search engines: Google, Yahoo Search, and Bing. And these are their results for the keyword search for WordPress on the Apple iPhone. And you can see in this drop-down list I can select any number of different devices to look at what the mobile search returns will look like on that device. Now this would be good to do to double check how your listings show up. So everything's a lot smaller, obviously, on a mobile device, and they have to display things a little bit differently. So when you're double checking the SEO that you're doing, probably be good to check these 3 different search engines. All right, the next tool is, let me show you, we're going to do the preview tool. It is this one here, 3 mobile browsers compare. And I've set this up using our search term WordPress, and this is kind of cool. What it actually shows you is what the search returns would look like on different devices. So I've selected 4 different devices: the iPhone, the Nexus 1, the iPad, and the Droid for the keyword WordPress. And you can see on the iPhone, that's how that would look. On the iPad, very similar. On the Droid, or the Nexus 1, and then the Droid. So I'm not sure exactly why you'd want to check in that much detail, but it could be that the search results would show up differently based on the device. And then finally, we're going to check this one, and let me show you where it comes from. It's this link right here, compare for mobile device preview. What's interesting about this, you put your URL for your mobile ad or your mobile offer right here. You select whatever phones you are interested in seeing how it looks, and then it shows you. So here the first one is the iPhone, and this is a mobile offer for The Sims 3 World Adventures. This is the, what is that one? I think that's the Nexus 1. Kind of see how it looks. Then we've got the iPad. See how this mobile offer doesn't look that great on the iPad. And then finally, the Droid. That's how that mobile offer looks. Let me put in another mobile offer so you can kind of get an idea of how this works. Here is another mobile offer. We'll let this process, give you an idea of how this all works. Okay, so here is a mobile offer for an IQ test. That's how it looks on the iPhone. Looks great. On the Nexus One, not so great. On the iPad, looks pretty good. And then on the Motorola Droid, I don't think that looks as good as it does on the iPhone. So it seems like this particular offer has been optimized for the iPhone. So that gives you an idea of that one. This is one that you'd want to use as you kind of preview the offers that you might opt in, and you really wouldn't want to spend a lot of time promoting an offer that doesn't look very good on the device that it's meant to show up on. So double check and see what it looks like before you start promoting it. All right, so hopefully you're going to head over to OfferMobi now, and at least, even if you can't get into the network right away, go ahead and use these tools. I'll put a link to OfferMobi and this tools page at realtimeaffiliate.com/mobile tools. realtimeaffiliate.com/mobile tools.